we're going to take the bike on its first ride of the season. Good old 2024 Husqvarna Norden 901 Expedition. We're gearing up to go to the Ozarks VDRX next month. So let's do a little riding. It's 80 degrees, and to think a couple days ago, like literally 2 days ago, it was 30. So take advantage of nice weather while we can. Let's do it. Got these new tires on here too. Oh God, it's got so much power. I miss that. Oh, it's so nice to get out on the bike. Been waiting for months. We've had a pretty cruddy winter here in Minnesota. Didn't get much snow. It did get cold, so we got to get out and do some ice fishing, but as far as playing in the snow goes, that was a no-go this year. So Carlos Avery out here is a 25,000 acre wildlife preserve, which allows hunting, some other forms of recreation, and of course we got quite a few trails back here and DNR trails and stuff. I haven't been back here since I was probably 17 years old. That's when I did a lot of bird hunting. So I'm curious to see what we got going on now. Okay, you're all angry. I got it. Gorgeous. Alright, yeah. Let's go check on the tilt site. It rides like a much smaller bike when you're off-road. It's incredible. Left any trash or anything. Okay. Oh, let's go through our middle trail, okay? Hey, horsies! You gonna get them? No, not anymore. Got chasing them through the woods. down this trail right now, but there's a tree in the way. I'm not hopping this heavy bike over a tree. At least a big tree. Let's see what's going on back here. Where's the back hatch was open? Check that out real quick, shall we? Oh, it's already getting green back there. Look at that. Over in the square. Yeah, this is super nice. I'll tell you what, it was worth the wait to have some property to be able to do that. Oh, that exhaust note off this engine is just, oh, love it, love it. Head out onto here. Little air right there. Not bad. So yeah, stay tuned. We got some cool stuff coming up here soon. Next month, we're hitting that Ozarks BDRX, the new one. We're doing the full 480-mile loop. So keep an eye out for that one. That'll be fun. Got some more install videos come out here on the Norden on some new gear that's coming in for it. We'll get that rolling. And then, of course, we got some target shooting content coming up here soon. We got some pretty cool targets to show you. So in the meantime, check out the other content. Don't forget to subscribe. Go check out our website, likelynoutdoors.com, specifically the Dad's collection. That one's pretty good. And then if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. I look at all the comments. If you're going to roast me, make it funny. I like to be entertained. And yeah, other than that, get outside and have some fun. Get outdoors. Take care, everybody.